I'm Kiran Makkar, and today I'm going to discuss with you a graph which has been seen on 21st September 2017 in the academic IELTS writing test in India. It's a map. The diagrams below show the river park area of 20 years ago and the river park area now. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So this is the question, and the diagram has been reproduced by one of my students who took the test yesterday. This is the river park area 20 years ago, and this is the river park area of the present. So what we should do in such a graph is that in one paragraph we can describe the this diagram of 20 years ago, and then in the second paragraph we can describe the changes which took place and the areas which did not change. So this can be done, and then a small intro and a conclusion, and that is how these graphs have to be explained. And first, let's study the diagram. This is the river park 20 years ago. This is the estuary road, river, sea, petrol station, library, doctor's surgery, a factory, shops, a college here, the Sun Road, the Sunset Street, the railway track. And in this is the marina which has been added, a supermarket in place of the factory. Shops have increased, college has increased in size, the post office in place of the petrol station. These two areas have not changed. This birdhouse has been added, has been made amidst the trees, and this area also hasn't much changed except for this railway station which has been made, and then this side of the road has converted into a pedestrian road. This is the pedestrian road. So let's see how to write it. The given diagrams compare the river park area of the present with the river park area 20 years ago. It is clear that the area has developed a lot over the given period. 20 years ago, the river park area had a curved estuary road in the north, just below the estuary formed by the merger of the river coming from the northeast with the sea in the northwest. A petrol station, a doctor's surgery, and a library were there in the middle to the south of the estuary road. So here you can see an estuary road, curved estuary road. This road perhaps has been named estuary road because here the river is merging with the sea, and the area where the river merges into the sea, that is called the estuary. And this is the U-shaped Sun Road. So this road is there, and then um, a petrol station, a doctor's surgery, and a library were there in the middle to the south of the estuary road. So here you can see a petrol station, a library, and a doctor's surgery towards the south of the estuary road in the middle. And these three buildings were circled by this U-shaped road emerging from the estuary road. There was a U-shaped road named the Sun Road which emerged from the estuary road and circled these three buildings. A factory and few shops were there to the west of the Sun Road, whereas a college was there on the east of the Sun Road. So here you can see a factory and shops towards the west and a college towards the east of this U-shaped Sun Road. Okay. Then to the right and left of these buildings, woodlands were there. A Sunset Street emerged from the southwest of the Sun Road and connected it to the railway track running in the east-west direction towards the far south of the layout. So here you can see this is the railway track running in the east-west direction, and this Sunset Street emerging from the southwest corner of the Sun Road connected it to the railway track on the far south of the layout. So this is all about the first diagram. Radical changes can be seen in the present river park area. A marina has been built on the northeast side of the estuary road. A post office has replaced the petrol station. So this is the marina. Marina is where the yachts dock, like they on the they dock for loading or unloading, or for people going from here to there. And this marina has been built, and a post office has replaced the petrol station. So here you can see post office, and here there was the petrol station. And this is a supermarket in place of the factory. So you can write like this: supermarket has been made in place of the factory. A supermarket has been built in place of the factory. The shops have almost doubled. A birdhouse has been made amidst the woodland on the right. A railway station has been made on the railway track towards the left of the Sunset Street. The left lane of the Sun Road has been converted into a pedestrian road. So here you can see this is the left limb of this, and this has been converted into a pedestrian road. A pedestrian is where people can walk. So this is the second paragraph, and then just one line. Overall, River Park area has developed a lot over 2 decades. So I hope you've liked this explanation. It has gone well beyond the 150 word, because there was a lot to write in this. And that is why I tell all my students to practice writing the map. Sometimes it's very easy and sometimes there's a lot to write. So you have to learn how to condense things also. I've tried to condense, but whatever I've tried, I couldn't make it shorter than this. And I hope you enjoyed watching it. This has been reproduced by one of my students, and if there's any change in it, that is understandable. It's very difficult to reproduce exactly what was there. Thank you so much for watching.